Merry Christmas, all of my relevant people. Let's get this juicing video started. So we are going to be juicing carrots, ginger, oranges, and apples. This juice is called carrot ginger juice. Ginger has an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, and is also good at helping to reduce gas and improving digestion, relieving nausea, supporting the immune system, and it also reduces inflammation in the body. Oranges are great for protecting your cells from damage, helps your body make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you smoother skin. Oranges also makes it easier to absorb iron to fight anemia. And lastly, oranges are great at boosting your immune system, your body's defense against germs. Then we have apples, which are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating apples have been linked to a lower chance of getting many chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancers. Apples may also promote weight loss and improve gut and brain health. So if you need a little help trying to study, if y'all in college, eat you an apple to help with that brain health. All right. And last, we have carrots. Carrots are full of a lot of benefits, you all. So carrots, they help promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, lower your risk of cancer, regulate blood pressure, reduce heart disease, hallelujah, improve immunity, and boost brain health. So y'all, you won't regret incorporating more of this vegetable into your juice or just in your diet, y'all. Eat you some carrots, okay? All right, just dip it in a little ranch, honey, and eat you some carrots, a little hummus or something. But get you some carrots, all right.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style.
All right, you guys, so I was only able to fill 3 16-ounce glass bottles of making this juice. I think if I had juiced maybe more oranges or maybe more carrots, I probably could have got a little bit more juice. All right, y'all, in the words of the pastor in closing, this juice was really, really good. I will be adding this into my top favorite juices that I have made so far. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.